Good afternoon, traders. It's February 11th and it's at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just making a short video about the Air Canada, and I'm going to show you one more stock that I'm interested in. Quick disclaimer that this is just how I see the markets. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities. Some interesting development on the Air Canada chart, so let's get started. Last time I left you, we were back in this box. We had this fake out, retest from the bottom, fake out again, and then we went straight back into the box. So this box, this area here of resistance, now turning support, is proving to be very significant. We can see also stalling from before, right? This area here. So this is definitely a very nicely defined area of support resistance. I was also talking about $21 area, and this is actually a bottom of this box. It also corresponds to this 50% retracement from 0 to 100 here on Fibonacci. So we had a upside move, we had a correction, we had a sideways movement, which is this box, right? And now we are finally getting this signal, the signal that I keep talking about, and here it is. This is how patience works out, right? We know that this is a strong support at this moment of time. We know that we are waiting for signal. We know we are going with the trend. Trend is to the upside. In today's announcement of Air Canada taking over Transat with even a better price. They originally offered was $18 per share. Now it's $5 per share, saving of millions of dollars to Air Canada and its expansion. So let's analyze this chart quickly. As the market was falling down and correcting itself, it found the support here. Okay, and then it went bouncing inside this and created these areas, right? And we came down here and it poked through it, came down. We had a retest runs here. We had another retest right here. This candle was not able to puncture through here. It's just a wick that's on the other side. We have another one that's been pulling down, and then we had a breakout into back into this box. We are inside this box here. Okay, so now $22 we knew is going to be a resistance, and we know why, because that's been marked from a long time before, so I'm not going to go over that again. And the market rebounded from there. We can see rebound here, corrected itself. We are still in this sideways move. We came down to this bottom of the box, this support. Now it was resistance where the market was coming into it, and now the market is sitting on the bottom of it. Basically, it's a bottom or support. And what I always talk about is we need to trade with the trend. The trend is to the upside at the moment. I know this is just a correction. The sideways movement is just a correction of the market. We can see now clearly that the bulls are located in this area. Take a look at the signal. Take a look at the signal. This is a bullish pin bar. This is a bullish pin bar created at the right location. It's a perfect bar. The body is right inside this candle. What is this actually candle telling us? All right, first of all, this one was coming down. You can see that this little wick on the bottom was just peeked through this 21.04 area, $21 basically, and then price closed on the other side, like on top, right? The next day, today, we had the market open with this candle here. Okay, we can see that bears or sellers were pushing the price down. Okay, we can see that clear rejection. Rejection means that when price pushes down below some level, right, and then bulls or bears have enough strength to put it back above or below, or in this case bulls are in control, so they close the price above. Okay, we are closed at 21.20. So this is a perfect example of how the market works. I always say that you have to have patience and the market will show its hand, and this is exactly what this is happening here. Now, in order for this to jump into this trade, we have to have break of the top of this candle. So price has to break on top of this for us to get in to confirm this move, if this is going to be a move into bullish direction. Okay, with in your mind, you have to have in your mind that $22 is going to be a resistance, and the next target is $24. Okay, so first target, second target. Okay, so we have to break above here in order to go to the first target, and then we have to break above this to go to the second target. Okay, is this trade going to work out? You can have everything perfectly aligned on the chart and trade don't go your way. Tomorrow, if we get the breakout above of this candle here, okay, if this candle, the top here, gets broken, we definitely have a bullish move. Okay, it confirms it. And then we have first target, second target. If bulls are not strong enough to hold it and the bears break below this candle tomorrow, they have to break below. That means they're going to create a new low. Then the market might come down all the way here to 1954 area. So that's two possibilities that can happen on this on the Air Canada stock. Just a quick update for you. So this is how I see it at the moment, and I'm really interested into jumping in again tomorrow. And let's move on to one more stock, and I want to show you here. This is a GoPro. Let's analyze this stock quickly. We can see this red line that I marked just because of this area here. You can see this here. Okay, we can clearly see that the market stopped here and bulls show their hand with this candle right there, with this green one, and the market took off. Also interesting to see is the trend, because we can see the trend is on the upside. We have a clearly defined support now because the market is coming down. Okay, we have a clear support. And what else we can see on this market? Well, from before we can see the market was coming down here, correcting itself, and then it moved up. We came to this area here, and only wick broke through, went up, but the bears were stronger than bulls, and basically there were more sellers than buyers, and they just closed the price below. Market fell, came back again. We got another bearish signal here, and the market fell again, and then we finally break out. We break out with this candle here. Okay, that was the breakout right here. This is the breakout candle. And the reason I'm showing you this stock is because it's moving technically perfectly. Okay, the next candle here, first one that broke out, it shows us that market closed on the other side. The next one, we have bears that pushed the price down with this next engulfing candle. This is your signal to buy in. So bears pushed down, bulls closed the price up, and look how clear is to be seen that the wick is on the bottom, body is on the other side. There's a clear rejection of this level, and the market just takes off. Okay, right after that, what happened basically, it came down the second time, it retested once, retested twice. The third time we got the engulfing candle again. This is the engulfing candle here. Okay, we had a rejection here and then engulfing candle, and the market moved on. All right, so you can see how the market repeats itself constantly. Here, first we have rejections of the resistance, rejection of the resistance. We had a breakout right here. We had a signal to get into the trade, and the market takes off. Market moved a little bit, and then it came down, retested it again a couple times, gave us another signal here to buy in, and we move on. Now what's happening and what's interesting on this market is basically we are back at this support level that has proven itself once, twice, 3, 4 times in just recent days. This is a daily chart, so in recent weeks it showed us that its hand, that the bulls are located at that area. 3 things to be fulfilled in order to get in a trade, and this is the trend. We have the trend is to the upside. Okay, this is just a market correction and retesting of this 817 area. Okay, second, we need a support area. Support area is right here. We can see it clearly, it's defined. Okay, it's been clearly defined so many times. And the third, we are waiting for the signal. We are waiting for the signal to develop in this area here in order to buy long. First target would be a 950 for these highs here, and then a second target. Okay, second target would be the highs here at $11, and that would be the second target. One more time. we have a trend, we have a support at this level. It was a resistance, then it turned support. Now we are sitting at support right here. You can see the support right there, right? So you can see all these candles are stopping right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days of retesting this area here. All we are waiting for now is the signal to give us a signal to go long and to buy into this market. First target, these highs. Second target, these highs around there, around $11 here. So first, second, and that's how it's done. I'm gonna stop this video at this moment. Just gave you a quick update. I hope everybody's doing well, and tomorrow I might be doing a longer video with way more stocks to cover. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Sasha out.